So I want to change my mirrors to handlebar mirrors. Got my box, little circle mirrors. You're going to need a 3/16 socket. Take off your stock handlebar cap. Save it just in case. In the package, you have a sleeve. You've got one size adapter. You've got another size adapter. Before you slide all of this on, you're going to have to put this on first. So you're going to have to do a dry fit and figure out what's going to fit. Once you get the right adapter on it, go ahead and slide it on. The only part that's going inside the handle is this part. You're going to have to position this correctly later, wherever you want it, okay? But for right now, we just need to get this to fit. All right, once you've got it on real tight and snug, you know it's not going to come out. This part is still flimsy, that's okay. Now you're going to go ahead and do a dry fit position where you want it before you tighten it down. So if you want it here or straight up, you're going to find the position that you want it, and then you're going to tighten these down. This arm will allow you to pivot it left or right. The bracket will allow you to move it forward or backwards, and then the mirror itself will allow you to pivot it left, right, front, back. But it's not going to interfere with the handle because you've got the extenders. All right, so this is a 5/32, and this is what's going to fit. The finished product. It's clean. I like it.